Welcome to Tinkercad, a 3D design tool that runs in your browser. This tutorial video will teach you the basics of using Tinkercad. What makes Tinkercad unique is the focus on constant learning. You can create something from scratch, follow a quest that teaches you new skills, or find a thing someone else has designed that you want to study and perhaps modify. To start a new design, click the Design a New Thing button. This is the editor. The arrows on the left are part of the view controls. On the right, there are basic shapes you can use for your design. You can create things by dragging shapes to the workplane. To move the view to another angle, click the arrow buttons. You can also press and hold the right mouse button down while moving the mouse. Zoom the view by pressing the plus and minus buttons, or by using the mouse scroll wheel. You can freely move shapes along the workplane. Use the top handle to change the height of the shape, and use the corner handles to change its size along the workplane. Use the arrows to rotate the shape. Move the shape up and down by using the arrow handle on top of the shape. If you select several shapes, you can modify them simultaneously. Select multiple shapes with Box Select, or by holding the Shift key down and clicking on the shapes you want to select. As you can see, all the selected shapes move along with the workplane. To build upwards, you can place the workplane on any surface of the model, like this. This is a boat we are building. The next thing we need to add is a cabin, and then smokestacks on the top. I'll drag the workplane on top of the cabin to build the smokestacks. If you press and hold the Shift button while scaling, Tinkercad will resize the shape equally in all directions. Use Copy and Paste to duplicate shapes. Now I want to add some decoration. First, I'll place the workplane on the side of the cabin, and then I'll drag a star onto it. To better see how the star fits on the cabin, I'll reset the workplane by dropping it on the ground. You can use any shape to make holes. Just select the shape and press the Hole button in the toolbar. It's a good idea to group related shapes together to make further editing easier. You can always ungroup shapes later. There it is! Our boat is ready. When you're done with designing, click Save and Close. After that, you can give a name to your new thing. Your design is now ready to be 3D printed or shared with friends. Design a new thing of your own and have a great time learning at tinkercad.com.